Version 7 of Profound.js and Profound API is here. I'm going to tell you what you need to know to be ready. Hello, I'm Brian May, Vice President of Product Management here at Profound Logic, and I'm here to talk about the 5 things that you need to know before upgrading to Profound.js or Profound API version 7. Version 7 of Profound.js and Profound API are our most secure versions ever. With this heightened security, unfortunately, we had to make some breaking changes. So it's very important that you know about these changes ahead of time so that you can plan your upgrade so everything runs smoothly. The first thing you need to know, we have officially removed the pjs.sendRequest function. We've been hinting at this for several releases now, and the time for this function to be removed has finally come. What does that mean for you? That means you need to take a look at any of the custom code you've written and see if you have this function in that code. If you do, you need to replace it with the new function, pjs.httpRequest. In most cases, the new function will be a drop-in replacement for the old, but you need to make that change and do your tests in whatever version you're in now before you think about moving to Profound.js 7. The second thing you need to know, we've made a lot of changes in this release around security and encryption. With those changes, you are going to have to get a new license key for your software. So just go ahead and take care of that ahead of time. Contact your sales rep or keys@profoundlogic.com and get your new keys before you start the upgrade process. Number 3, encryption keys are now going to be managed by you, the customer, not embedded in the software itself. This makes the product overall more secure. It allows you to keep up with the encryption keys that are used for various functions within the product. And it also allows you to change those encryption keys should they ever become compromised. The fourth thing you should know is that any of your credential files that were built on an old version will need to be recreated. Again, we have changed the way that we handle encryption keys, where you now manage your own encryption keys. And so your credentials files, which are encrypted on disk, will need to be regenerated using your new encryption keys. What does that mean? It means anything that you have done using store credentials just needs to be redone. So ahead of your upgrade, go ahead and get all of your usernames and passwords for your credentials to all of your external databases and IBMIs. Go ahead and get those together so that you can go through and recreate those credentials files. And for a little added security, this is a great time to go ahead and change the passwords on these profiles as well. You're going to have to recreate all of the credential files anyway. And number 5, if you have applications on your IBMI that are calling modules in your Profound.js or Profound API environment, you will now need to generate a unique secret key on each of those IBMI servers. Those secret keys will then be stored on the Profound.js or Profound API server to identify the IBMI systems that are allowed to make calls to that server. This extra bit of security will ensure that no servers are calling routines on your Profound.js or Profound API environment unless they are authorized to do so. Of course, with any major upgrade like this, we have laid out all of these steps in detail in our documentation. You can find more information at docs.profoundlogic.com. Just look for the section on upgrading to Profound.js 7. Thanks for your time today. I hope this video has helped to prepare you for your upgrade to Profound.js 7 and Profound API 7. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let us know. You can reach us at profoundlogic.com/support. Our support team will be more than happy to answer any questions you have and to help you through the process. Thanks.